MCP just hit 97 million downloads a month. And if you're still building MCP servers with the raw SDK, you're doing it the hard way. Let me show you the fast way. The official MCP Python SDK gets the job done, but it's verbose. You define schemas manually, wire up handlers, manage the server lifecycle, dozens of lines before your actual logic even starts. There's a better approach that's taken over the Python MCP community, FastMCP. It's a high-level wrapper that turns a multi-file boilerplate project into a single Python function decorated with one line. Install is one command, run pip install fastmcp in your virtual environment. Now create a file called server.py. Import fastmcp from the fastmcp library and instantiate it with a name. Call it my dev tools. That single object is your entire MCP server. No config files, no separate schema definitions. To expose a tool to an AI agent, just decorate a regular Python function with AMCP tool. Add a docstring and type hints. FastMCP reads those automatically and generates the JSON schema the agent needs. No boilerplate. Here, I'm building a tool that runs a shell command and returns its output. The agent sees the name, the description from the docstring, and the typed parameters, all generated for free. You can add as many tools as you like. Resources work the same way. Decorate a function with IMCP, a resource, and give it a URI. The agent can now read that data like a file. To run the server, call mcp.run at the bottom of your file. That's it. Now let's connect it to Claude Desktop. Open your Claude Desktop config file, add a new entry under mservers. Point it to your Python script with the UV or Python command and restart Claude. Within seconds, Claude can call your shell tool and read your resource. The entire server fit in about 15 lines of clean Python. FastMCP also supports prompt templates. Decorate a function with amcp.prompt and the agent can invoke pre-written prompts with dynamic parameters. And when you're ready to ship, FastMCP servers work with any MCP client. Cloud Code, Cursor, Windsurf, or your own Python agent via the MCP Python client. One server, every AI tool in your stack. Three things to remember. One, FastMCP turns an MCP server into decorated Python functions, no boilerplate. Two, type hints and docstrings generate your tool schema automatically. Three, the same server connects to Claude Desktop, Claude Code, Cursor, and any other MCP client. The full code is in the GitHub repo linked below. Star it if it helped. If you want to see part 2, where we add authentication and deploy this server to the cloud, smash the subscribe button. I post a new AI dev tutorial every day. I'm Sandeep, this is Dev with AI, and I'll see you tomorrow.